Wincrease.com, and this is Reading the Chart Part 4. Our first video, we introduced you to positive and negative trends. Our second video, we introduced you to the MACD. Our third video, we introduced you to the RSI. And for our fourth and final video, we're going to introduce you to the volume. Now, the volume is important because it's going to show you where all the traders are at. And if you have a large influx of traders, that's probably going to be a good signal of some money flowing. So it's important to know that the volume, we don't use the volume as a leading indicator. We use the volume as a third indicator. It falls behind our RSI. So with that being said, my volume is below my chart here. And you'll see the number of shares. You'll see red and black. Red is going to be a down day. Black is going to be an up day. And you'll see the number of units here. At Wincrease.com, we don't trade any stock that falls below the 1 million threshold. That is going to be on the average. You'll hear volume referred to as average, below average, or above average, and that's self-explanatory. So let's go ahead and look back at our buy point that we initiated on the MACD. Our MACD and our RSI lineup. Let's see where the volume falls in place. And we can see a lot of traders came in and they bought. And this also confirms exactly what we've seen. So now let's take a look at Tesla. We'll line up here at where we initiated our buy. There's our buy. Our RSI is lining up. Now let's look at where the volume is. The volume isn't exactly where we thought it may be, but traders did come in and they ended up buying. So that's still a good sign. Now let's take a look at Facebook. Here was our initial buy on the MACD. There's our RSI, and wait a minute, there's no volume there. As a matter of fact, it's below average. But like I said, we don't really use the volume as a leading indicator. We use it as our third one to back up our RSI. In this case, we didn't really need it because our first two indicators gave us the buy signal. And that's how we make money at Wincrease.com.